I'm Lexie Limitless. I'm so excited because I have just completed my circumnavigation in an electric vehicle.
Serbia,
Melbourne, India, Cape Town.
There were some really interesting places that I went to on this journey. I traveled over 30,000 kilometers on 6 continents. I think that Europe obviously is leading the charge when it comes to an amazing network of chargers. So Europe definitely won, but the US was very close, a second. But I was also surprised that places like Bhutan, Thailand, Malaysia, Georgia, Turkey also had so many fast chargers that made my trip so much easier. You end up charging at a lot of places that you may have otherwise never stopped at. I always wanted to make the most out of my charging stops, so going to local restaurants, finding nice cafes. I drink a lot of coffee, so that was definitely a highlight for me. This car has honestly become my home over the past 7 months, and I've gotten so used to all of its features. There was so much curiosity with this car traveling in so many different places.
Because of this map, the chargers just end.
When there were no chargers available, I had to get a little bit creative. I experimented with a lot of domestic charging options, which meant using household outlets in places like tool sheds, garages, basements. I also tried out solar panels and even at times used a portable battery pack. I think also never underestimate how much your car can recharge when you're going downhill. That was an absolute lifesaver for me. So even in the toughest of places, there are solutions.